kami yung komentaryo sa aming mga senator judges. Eh kung magkomentaryo kaya kami during the trial about your competence. In fact, maybe about your mental sanity. Aber, gustuhin nyo? Huwag nyo kaming ginaganyan, ha? And besides, I have evidence about a certain congressman who has been testifying here. Huwag nyo kong pilitin to reveal my hand. I can prove that he's lying under oath. Be careful in its kindest light. Kaya huwag na kayong magpapaggapan dyan. Irespeto nyo ang impeachment court. Huwag kayong mga atake personal. Malapit na talaga akong mag-privilege speech dito tungkol sa sub judice rule. Nagtatago kayo, ha? Lumabas kayo dito.
Endorsement dated 13 September 2017 for the filing of criminal and administrative case against a certain Dr. Martin Corpus. You know this document, don't you?
I've seen that document on...
Do you know this document? I'm not asking you whether or not you saw the document.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paikot-ikot ka. Ito, Mr. Chair, ang problema sa taong ito eh. Despite all this, SPA endorsement 220 cases endorsed to your office since you were acting Regional Vice President of Region 1. Wala kang ginawang final na kaso kahit isa.